Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. We're talking about reducing sodium intake. In one of my videos I made mention that I would talk about the functions of sodium in the body in another video. So I'm going to do that here. I'm not going to go into extreme detail on this, but just cover the basic roles of sodium in the body. Understand that we don't need to eat any salt whatsoever. We eat salt because it tastes good, it enhances the flavor of our foods, but we don't need any as long as we get enough whole, unprocessed, unadulterated foods. They don't have to be raw per se, but fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds and grains and even meats and poultry and fish would all have some degree of naturally occurring sodium in them. And when we eat enough of those foods, we get enough sodium to meet our needs because we only need about 500 milligrams in one day, which is far less than what the average person ingests. Now for the sodium, the functions of that important sodium in our body. Sodium aids in the conduction of nerve impulses, and in conjunction with that, the contraction and relaxation of muscles. So to do this movement right here, to move my forearm up, this muscle up here has to contract where this one has to relax, and then to move that forearm back down, this down here has to contract, whereas this one has to relax. So our muscles work together in contraction and relaxation so that we can move our joints. For that to happen, sodium works with potassium together to activate nerve impulses that stimulate the muscles to contract, okay? Muscle weakness or twitching can happen when either sodium or potassium is in short supply. More likely potassium than sodium, believe me. Sodium is also used in blood clotting. Sodium activates thrombin, which is an important factor in the blood that promotes blood clotting. Sodium works in maintaining a normal heart rhythm. It helps to trigger the muscles in the heart to contract. Again, that's the contraction relaxation thing, again involving the nerve impulses and sodium and potassium. Sodium works in maintaining the proper balance of our fluid and minerals in the body, and this is both inside and outside the cells. When the sodium levels are too high, we feel thirsty, we are actually dehydrated, and so that thirst mechanism prompts us to drink, hopefully water or something like that, a non-caffeinated, non-salty type of drink. And when the sodium levels are too low, meaning we have ingested enough fluid and the blood level of sodium is getting a little bit low, then the kidneys kick in and excrete more water than usual through the urine. So it's a balancing act all day long, and our kidneys work really hard to do that. Sodium also helps to maintain our acid-base balance in the body by combining with other molecules to form either an acid or a base, whichever is needed at the time to restore the proper pH in our blood and other body tissues. This is critically important that we keep the blood at a stable, within a very narrow range of pH to keep us healthy. If we get out of balance on that pH in our blood, then we're in a heap of trouble. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. I just wanted to touch on the functions of sodium in the body. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.